Clutch. Yeah. Watch, this is gonna be badass. It's a fucking lizard. That's what my old one is. I just gotta hunt for this part. As long as you got the serial number, you could find any freaking part for this.
Really?
At Ace.
Ace house place?
Yeah. 42-inch blade, bro. 4-speed.
They don't know me at Ace, oh my god.
Do they?
I'm
Oh
like,
yeah, we walked in there the other day. Hey!
you wish, bitch.
Huh?
Oh, I hope the steering, it turns.
You hear me, Dad?
Probably just the linkage or something.
That bugs me.
He's ball joint.
Dad?
Should I open the widen the left? Because this fucker's pretty wide.
It is, huh? Oh yeah, they're a little crooked. Not really. Here, you got
This
that.
thing might be a little trash, but it's gonna be fixed. Anything's be fixed.
Yep.
That's so easier to load than the other one.
It was.
Oh god, this one's bigger, huh?
Yeah, it's bigger than the other one.
God, and you're trying to fit two, Dad.
Huh?
Put one in the back.
This one we could just leave in the... I'm gonna hose it.
Yeah, and then
I'd be kind of crazy.
Nesto said that the husband died in there too.
I said he probably died in that chair they left in there.
Yeah, that's probably why they don't. No one
Oh, is there a
keep it.
chair still
There's
in
a
there?
rocking chair.
Oh man, what if that chair keeps rocking one night?
Fuck that. I don't
It
even
probably
know.
does.
I don't care. I didn't buy it.
Would you cry when you go home and the chair's rocking? With the TV on?
Because you know how
I'd be
they
like,
come
"Whoops."
in late?
Yeah.
I'd be out. I ain't trying to do that.
They're crazy.
I'm glad it has compression. That's what I'm happy about. Yeah,
It's nice, but
it's gonna be fun to fix. I fixed worse. That other one was way...
Do you have a strap for it or to tie it up?
Oh, there's one in there in the box.
God, Dad, don't put your face into the spider right there. Do you see it?
I can't see it.
Right here. Right there. That little thing right there.
I can't see it. Oh, fuck. What the fuck is that?
I don't know, Dad.
Let me see.
I brought some here.
Oh, that's Lena. Hold on, I want to show her the spider that she was living with.
You want to just go over? Or you want to do over the seat? Right here, should we get it?
Dad.
Hold on.
How do you see it?
I'm trying to get it.
It's right up top. Up top a little bit. Right
Oh, shit.
there. Ooh.
What the hell
Did I
is
scare
that?
you?
You want it? Where do you want it?
No, I didn't get scared. Hold on, chair. I want to get the spider.
Ew.
That's a beauty, man.
Not really. You don't even know what that is. And nowadays, you don't want to get bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Kind of looks like a monkey spider.
It
That's-
does not
that's
a
it.
monkey spider.
Are you sure? I think it is.
No, it's not. I've seen monkeys. We've had monkey
That's
spiders.
too... Is it too dark for a monkey spider?
That's
Looks
not,
like an octopus.
It's not a spider. I mean, a monkey spider.
Anyways, I wonder how much of those...
Spiders brighter, orange.
They are.
And they're fat.
like a yellower.
And they're fatter. And
They have a bigger
they're
butt.
like compressed together.
Shit, I don't know. Tell you the truth, I don't know. Who I believe this is a 1987 Wizard. Don't quote me on the year, but it's gonna be a nice little fun project. I think I could get it running.